Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to update system apps on your Redmi Note 14. So I'm using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but the same steps should apply for all the other Redmi Note 14 phones. Now to update the system apps, simply open settings. And within the settings, all you have to do is tap on System Apps Updater and select that. So you can simply see all the system apps that need update. And to update all these apps, you can simply tap on Update All. Or if you want to update individual apps, you can simply find the app that you'd like to update and simply tap on Update, and that will update that particular app. And that's basically it on how to update all the system apps on your Redmi Note 14. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.